You packed everything, and somehow the beach still felt like a disaster. Sand everywhere, bugs biting, your phone soaked. Been there? Today on OutdoorKitPro, we're breaking down 12 beach camping essentials that actually fix those problems. From sand-proof blankets to solar lights, we'll cover comfort, utility, and protection, so you're ready for the perfect beach trip. Number 1. ETENWOLF AIR 3 Air Pump. Setting up inflatables at the beach used to mean you'd be out of breath before you even hit the water. The ETENWOLF AIR 3 is a rechargeable, portable electric pump that inflates air mattresses and pool floats at a seriously impressive speed. No lung power required. It's compact, lightweight, and comes with multiple nozzle attachments, so it works with practically anything inflatable. What really sets it apart is the dual inflate-deflate function, which makes packing up just as easy as setting up. It's travel-friendly and fits right in your beach bag without taking over the whole thing. If you're hauling inflatables to the beach, this pump is a no-brainer. Number 2. Hiearcool Waterproof Phone Pouch. The Hiearcool Waterproof Phone Pouch comes in a 2-pack and is rated IPX8, meaning it can handle depths up to 100 feet. It fits most smartphones up to about 7 inches, so it works with basically any modern phone. And the clear TPU window means you can still snap photos and shoot video while fully submerged. The secure locking system gives it a watertight seal you can actually trust, and a lanyard is included so you can wear it hands-free. It's a simple product, but losing your phone to a wave is a very real and very expensive mistake. Great budget protection for a priceless device. Number 3. MNZZ Body Sand Remover. The MNZZ Body Sand Remover is a pocket-sized powder tool that pulls sand right off your skin, no water needed. You just apply it to sandy skin, and the powder absorbs moisture and releases the sand instantly. It's skin-friendly, gentle, and genuinely works in a way that brushing with your hand never does. If you've ever climbed into a car or tent covered in sand, you know exactly why this exists. It's one of those tiny products that solves a massive annoyance, and at pocket size, there's zero excuse not to bring it. A brilliant little fix for the messiest part of beach day. Number 4. HONGYUTAI Portable Clothesline. The HONGYUTAI Portable Clothesline is a retractable travel line that stretches to about 10 to 12 feet and sets up between 2 anchor points without any tools. It uses suction cups or hooks for mounting, and the elastic braided rope holds its tension really well even in a breeze. Anti-slip clips keep your towels and suits from sliding off mid-dry. It weighs almost nothing and packs down incredibly small, so it's the kind of thing you just throw in your bag and forget about until you absolutely need it. Great for multi-day beach campers who need a real drying solution. Totally underrated piece of kit. Number 5. ONLYNEW Rechargeable Fan. The ONLYNEW Rechargeable Fan is a compact handheld personal fan that charges via USB and runs on multiple speed settings. It operates quietly, which matters more than you'd think when you're relaxing, and the adjustable angle lets you point it exactly where you need airflow. Runtime is solid, several hours depending on which speed you use. It's small enough to hold in one hand or prop up next to you on a blanket. It won't replace a full breeze, but on a hot, still afternoon, it makes a real difference in comfort. A solid pick for anyone camping in warm coastal climates. Number 6. Benadryl Extra Strength Anti-Itch Gel. Benadryl Extra Strength Anti-Itch Gel uses diphenhydramine HCl 2% as its active ingredient, which is a clinically proven itch blocker. It goes on as a cooling gel that feels instant on contact, and it works on bug bites, sun irritation, and minor rashes, pretty much everything the beach throws at you. The travel-size tube fits anywhere and doesn't leak. It's fast-acting, well-proven, and you probably already trust the Benadryl name from home use. Don't underestimate how miserable a single mosquito bite can make your evening. Keep this one at the top of your first aid kit. You'll use it. Number 7. TuoPuLife Solar String Lights. The TuoPuLife solar string lights stretch out to 32.8 feet of warm ambient lighting powered by solar or USB charging. They're fully waterproof, so beach humidity and splashes aren't a concern, and a remote control lets you switch between steady glow and multiple blink modes without walking over to the panel. Setup is easy, and the warm light color creates that perfect beach camp atmosphere. Solar charging means no batteries to replace and no worrying about running out of power on night 2. These are the kind of lights that make your campsite look intentional and inviting. Best upgrade for turning a basic camp into a beautiful one. Number 8. Blomoba Collapsible Wagon. The Blomoba Collapsible Wagon is a heavy-duty foldable utility cart built on a steel frame with large all-terrain wheels designed specifically for hauling gear across sand. It holds up to approximately 150 to 200 pounds, meaning you can load it up with coolers, chairs, bags, and blankets all at once. The pull handle is comfortable, and the durable fabric bed holds its shape under load. When you're done, it folds flat so it stacks easily in your trunk. If you've ever made 3 painful trips back and forth from the parking lot, you know this wagon pays for itself on day 1. Essential for families or anyone with a lot of gear. Number 9. UpNature Citronella Roll-On. The UpNature Citronella Roll-On is a DEET-free insect repellent made from a natural citronella oil blend with a fresh citrus scent. You roll it directly onto your skin, wrists, ankles, neck, and it creates a natural barrier that insects don't like. It's skin-safe, travel-sized, and won't leave the greasy chemical residue that spray repellents often do. If you're sensitive to chemicals or just prefer a cleaner ingredient list, this is your go-to. It smells genuinely pleasant, which is a bonus when you're sitting close to other people around a campfire. A smart, clean alternative to traditional repellents. Number 10. TuoPuLife Portable Shower. The TuoPuLife Portable Shower is a USB rechargeable camping shower with an adjustable pressure submersible pump and a hands-free shower head. You drop the pump into any water source, a bucket, a jug, a cooler, and it pumps out a consistent stream for up to 45 to 60 minutes per charge. The digital display shows you battery level so you're never caught off guard mid-rinse. Rinsing off salt and sand before getting in your tent or car is a total comfort upgrade. It's simple, compact, and works surprisingly well for the price point. If you're doing multi-day beach camping, this one belongs on your list without question. Number 11. Hiearcool Beach Blanket. The Hiearcool Beach Blanket is made from lightweight parachute nylon with a genuinely sand-proof weave that lets sand pass through instead of sticking. It's large enough to fit multiple people comfortably, water-resistant, and comes with corner stakes and pockets to anchor it in the wind. When it's time to pack up, it stuffs into its own pouch in seconds. The material is soft enough to actually lay on, not just sit on, which puts it ahead of a lot of competitors. Stakes are a small feature that makes a big difference on a windy beach day. One of the most used items on this list, a genuine essential. Number 12. FamArt Mesh Beach Bag. The FamArt Mesh Beach Bag is an oversized tote made from breathable mesh fabric that lets sand fall right out, so you're not dragging half the beach home with you. It has multiple compartments, including a zipper pocket for valuables, and the capacity is large enough for a full family's beach haul. Despite its size, it's genuinely lightweight. The mesh construction also means wet items won't mildew inside the bag as badly as they would in a solid tote. It's practical, affordable, and solves 2 problems at once: storage and sand control. A perfect finishing touch to your complete beach camping kit. So there you have it, 12 beach camping essentials that cover every angle of your trip. If I had to pick two standouts, it's the Blomoba Wagon for hauling everything in, and the Hiearcool blanket for the best base camp. All links in the description below. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe to OutdoorKitPro, and hit the bell so you never miss a gear review.